Welcome to IndusAyush. Now let's take a look at the blood sugar feature under the Tools section. Here we can view all recorded blood sugar reports for the selected members. The list displays the member name, FBS, PLBS, random, and HbA1c and date. To add new blood sugar record, click on the New Blood Sugar button. In the form, enter the FBS, PLBS, random, and HbA1c. Then choose the date and time of the report or the uploading time if you are adding a previous report. After filling all the details, click on the Save button. The new record will be appear in the list. To update an existing record, click on the edit icon next to the entry. Here you can modify the FBS, PLBS, random, HbA1c or update the date and time as needed. After making the changes, click Save Changes and updated information will be reflected in the list. This feature helps us record, track, and manage members' blood sugar reports, making it easy to monitor health progress over time.